Yes, here Rakesh Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT. Trigonometry, application of the this trigonometry in general use like a height and distance. What is the height and distance you are using in this exercise 9.1? You are seeing that many questions based on this you are calculating. So question number 7 I will explain today. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed on the top of 20-meter high building. From a point, it is a 20-meter high building. From a point on the ground, AB, BC is a building. There is a transmission tower, CD. CD is a transmission tower is fixed on the building BC. It is given question of 20-meter high building is 45 degree. Top and bottom. What is given the bottom and top? Top and bottom or bottom and top, but you will see top and bottom of the tower. It is a tower, it is a building. Building's height is given. Building height is given 20 meter. Building height is given how much? 20 meter. Then transmission tower is fitted on this, and angle of elevation of bottom and top of this. Bottom and top of this tower is, this is from here, there is a two angle, one is here and one is here. These two angles you are getting how much degree? 45 degree, and it is a 45 degree and it is a 60 degree. You are getting two angles. So find the height of the tower. You want to find out height of the tower. Height of the tower will be, height of the tower means this you want to find out. In triangle ABC, this is the x. It is not given to find. So x is a common side of both the right triangle. One in this and one is big triangle. In triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to BC upon AB, P upon B. Tan 45 is 1, so 20 upon x. What is the 20 upon x? So x is equal to 20 meter. You are getting this x. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree is equal to BD upon AB. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to BD. What is the BD? BD is 20 plus H upon AB. AB is given X, which you have calculated here, 20. So it is a 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus H. So H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Gives you 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. It is the height of the tower. So it is your answer. You can write in the form of height of a tower CD. CD is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1. Question number 8. Question number 8 we'll see. In the question number 8, it is given a statue 1.6 meter tall. Statue is given pedestal. Pedestal means there is a stand. There is a stand pedestal here. On the pedestal there is a statue 1.6 meter tall. 1.6 meter tall statue is on the pedestal AB. AC is a statue which is on the ground. It is a pedestal. Pedestal fan, you know. Pedestal means there is a stand and the statue is on the pedestal. The angle of elevation of top of statue from a point on the ground. Suppose you are here. From a point on the ground, the top, from a point elevation of top of statue is 60 degree. Top of statue means this. It is given 60 degree. It is given 60 degree. And one more is given. And from the same point angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal are bottom of the statue. Both are same thing. Top of the pedestal or bottom of the statue. It's same thing. So here you are getting it is a 45 degree. It is a top of the pedestal. Pedestal is AB. It is a top of it, or you can say bottom of the statue. Both are same. Then your question is given. Find the height of the pedestal. What you want to find out? Find the height of the pedestal means you want to find out this. Very simple question. Again, like a previous question, same thing. In triangle DAB, tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BD. That is 1 is equal to H by X. So X is equal to H. 1 you are getting equation 1. In triangle DBC, tan 60 is equal to, only right triangle you will take, DBC, not DAC. P upon B means BC upon BD. So root 3 is equal to BC, you can write H plus 1.6 upon, what is the BD? BD is X. So at the place of this you can write X root 3 is equal to H plus 1.6. It is your second equation. By first and second, put the value of X at this place. You want to H, no need to find out X. So H you write here, don't write X here. So what will you write? H you will write H root 3 is equal to H plus 1.6. So H root 3 minus H is equal to 1.6. So H root 3 minus 1. Very carefully you will do these things. 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. So rationalize the denominator. Class 9th. Like a class 9th, you will get 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 1.5 root 3 plus 1 upon, you will get, what is 1.5 root 3 plus 1, you will get upon 3 minus 1, root 3 square minus 1 square. So 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 8 is 16, 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter is the height of pedestal. It is not given, maybe it is not given, root 3 is not given, so it is your answer. So you will get the answer 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter is the height of the pedestal, that you know. So clearly it is the question number 8 you have seen. So now you will see what is the next question. So like this you can, question number 8. 9 is the angle of elevation of the top of a building. Angle of elevation of top of a building. Question number 9. Question number 8 is over. Question number 9. The angle of elevation of top of building from a foot of a tower is 30 degree. Foot of a tower is 30 degree. The angle of the elevation of top of building from a foot of tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of tower from foot of building is 60 degree. From the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, then find the height of the building. From the foot of the building, you see that, how will you decide that which one is higher than the other one? Two things are standing on the same ground, 90 degree. You want to find out, one is tower, one is building. But the angle of elevation of the top of it here, angle of elevation of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. From the foot of tower is 30 degree. From the foot of tower is 30 degree. It is a tower, it means, because it is a smaller angle. That's why building is smaller. So you will decide this. It is a building. Tower is given 50 meter high, and angle of elevation of from here. Another part is given, angle of elevation of the top of a building from foot of a building. Top of a tower top is this. From the foot of the building is 60 degree. So it is greater angle. That's why the tower is greater. So which one is the greater, that you decide by the angle. It is your AB is a tower and CD is a building. Here you see from one side, another base, another top. From the foot of the tower, top of a building. From the foot of the building, top of a tower you are getting. Now you will get in triangle, it is a common side. Your question only you want to find out the height of the building. Only you want this. So this side you find out both. In triangle ABC, tan 60 degree. This triangle is equal to AB upon BC, AC. AB upon AC. So root 3 is equal to 50 upon x. Or x is equal to 50 upon root 3. It is first part. In triangle ACD, tan 30 is equal to CD upon AC. Tan 30 is equal to CD upon AC. Now what will you put? CD is H, AC is tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to H upon X. Cross multiply. So what will you get? H root 3 is equal to X. It is a first and it is second. By first and second, what will you get? By first and second, put the value of X here. H root 3 is equal to 50 upon root 3. Cross multiply. 3H is equal to 50. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Then H is equal to 50 by 3. 16 whole 2 by 3 meter is the height of which building? 16.3 is the height of the building. You are getting. That's all for today. Thanks.
वो क्लास ठीक है.